Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can discover secret emojis on the new Instagram story phones. So if you guys didn't know, there are some new phones on Instagram story that you can use, and I'm going to show you the hidden emojis on that phone. So here I'm going to open the Instagram story camera. Okay, so I'm going to just take a picture first. In here I'm going to write this. So if you want to have this secret emoji, you can just follow these steps. So first emoji that I'm going to show you is the heart emoji. So you can just write or click on your keyboard using this icons right here, the symbol and also three, and you can see it will be changed into a heart shape emoji. So you can just, I'm going to create three, for example, like this. And if you change the type of phone, the heart emojis will also change accordingly, like this. So this is the secret emoji. So on the bubble it will look like this, on the poster it will look like this, and auditor it will be different: squeeze, typewriter, strong, meme, elegant. So that's the first emoji, and the second one is the smiley and also the sad fast emoji. You can use this, you can just write it like this, and also the smile. And when you change the phone, it will also change how it will look like. Okay, you can see on the squeeze it will turn into a smiley and sad face. Also on deco, bubble, poster, editor, signature, classic, and modern. So these are the hidden emojis on story, Instagram's new story phone. So I hope this tutorial or these tricks will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.